Guys, I'm Trains here. I'm here at Ash Station level crossing. MISUSE. Twazuk. Blatantly see the yellow light. There was an opportunity for actually some MISUSE at Farnham that I saw, but I wasn't recording at the time. The 10 past to Ascot, which is actually just approaching now. I believe this is the train to Guildford as well from Ascot. The train's now just approaching. I think this crossing might stay round the other as well. This is just slightly late by about a minute. Here it comes. See the light coming. See the lights there. Double staying. Nope, and up they go.